Good day everyone. So today we're gonna fix the problem of this car, which is the charging system. The battery indicator light is on while the engine is running. Supposed to be that the battery indicator light will turn off after you start the engine. But in this case, the engine is running but the battery indicator light is still on, so there must be a problem with the charging system, probably the battery. So yeah, we're gonna fix this. So in my opinion, if you see this warning light appear in your dash, I strongly suggest that you should pull over your car to the safest place, or find a auto repair shop, or bring it to your nearest authorized dealership to address this problem immediately. And I just want to remind you guys that this indicator light, like it's a red indicator light, see, it needs an immediate action. What I mean is, if you see a red light on the car's dashboard, this means there's a safety issue or something seriously wrong in your car. Probably your belt is, snap, or your battery is dead flat, or probably you have a serious damage in your generator or your alternator. So yeah, this kind of trouble needs a immediate response or action. So I pulled out the alternator assembly. Turns out that this alternator is not working, and yeah, the battery is good, so we replaced that and I installed the new alternator. See guys, that's the new one. And I'm going to do now is to put back things together, like the belts, and I'll show you guys how to check the voltage or the voltage output for this one, to make sure that we have a good charging system. Alright, now that we put back things together, like the belts, the tensioner, we tied the bolts and nuts for this one, I'm gonna show you the battery voltage, even if I check it already. Yeah, so we check the battery voltage, and we start the engine and check for the battery voltage output. So it's simple, just hook up your tester to the positive and the negative terminal. Check for the battery voltage, so we have 12.27 volts. So the engine is not yet start, so what we're gonna do is start the engine. So if we start the engine, the battery voltage should goes up. Now that the engine is running, so the battery voltage should goes up. Wait for a while. See, it's 12.46, 45. It goes up. Supposed to be goes up. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, so we have now a 14.77, 76, something like that. Alright, so now we have a good charging system. We have to make sure that everything is good. But there's something I want to show you guys. So yeah, we have a 14.58 something. I have to show you guys that the red indicator light for the battery or the charging system is gone. So look, yeah, it's now gone. So now we have a good charging system for this car, and yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much guys.